Hello, welcome to my channel. English grammar, prepositions of time, at, on, and in. This lesson is presented by Boosting English with Anu. What is a preposition? Preposition, a word used before a noun or a pronoun. A preposition shows relationship. Examples: Bob's birthday is on May 3rd. Jane takes a lunch at noon. Tom cleans his room in the morning. At, on, and in. Time, uses. At, for the time of the day and for a specific time. At 6 o'clock, at 12:30, at midnight, at sunset. On, for days and dates. On Monday, on Sundays, on Christmas Day, on my birthday. In, for months, years, seasons, decades, centuries, for longer periods. In January, in 2000, in the summer, in a decade, in the 21st century, in the future. At, for the time of the day and for a specific time. At 3 o'clock, at 6 a.m., at 2 p.m., at 4:30, at noon, at midnight, at lunch, at breakfast, at dinner, at the weekend, at Christmas, at 35. Examples: at the time of the day, at 3 o'clock, at 2 p.m., at 6 a.m., at 4:30. Examples: at, for a specific time, at Christmas, at the weekend, at breakfast, at lunch. Examples: at, for a specific time, at dawn, at noon, at night, at 60. On, for days and dates. On Sunday, on Sundays, on the 31st December, on Christmas Day, on my birthday, on holiday, on Vesak Day, on the New Year Day. In, for months, years, seasons, for longer periods. In December, in 1999, in the 21st century, in the past, in the future, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But we say on Monday morning, not in Monday morning. On Saturday afternoon, not in Saturday afternoon. On Sunday evening, not in Sunday evening. We say in an hour, in a half an hour, in a few minutes, in a week, in twice a week, in 2 weeks' time, in 6 months, in a year. We don't use at, on, and in, before, last, next, this, and every. I'll see you next month. They went to America last year. We'll meet the doctor next week. My mother goes to bed late every day. Fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. Use at, on, in, or without prepositions. Number 1. We can meet blank 3 o'clock. Number 2. Jane was born blank 2000. Number 3. I'll see you blank Monday. Number 4. do you get gifts? Blank Christmas. Number 5. What are you doing? Blank the weekend. Answers. Number 1. We can meet at 3 o'clock. Number 2. Jane was born in 2000. Number 3. I'll see you on Monday. Number 4. Do you get gifts at Christmas? Number 5. What are you doing at the weekend? Fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. Use at, on, in, or without prepositions. Number 6. I'll see you blank next Friday. Number 7. I'll come blank an hour. Number 8. My friends will come for dinner blank my birthday. Number 9. Ben gets married blank Tuesday. Answers. Number 6. I'll see you next Friday. Number 7. I'll come in an hour. Number 8. My friends will come for dinner on my birthday. Number 9. Ben gets married on Tuesday. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.